the spring city of Kunming, you can try the local specialty, Guoqiao Mi Xian. Mix up all the ingredients, and you've got yourself a fantastic bowl of noodles. Guilin is famous for more than its beautiful mountains and rivers. It's also home to one of the most famous noodle dishes in all of China, Guilin Mi Fen. You can find it all over the country, but it's the best here. Now it's on to the capital of Sichuan province, Chengdu.
This is a Sichuan classic noodle dish, dan dan mian. It's just noodles, chopped up pork, some spice, some vegetables. Okay.
Perhaps the most ubiquitous noodle dish across China is Lanzhou niu rou la mian. Watch the master at work and study the menu. You've got lots of choices for your la mian here. Finally, we visit a local shop in Guiyang to try yang rou fen. Cheap, filling, and delicious.